Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today video I am going to review this line of Shea moisture that I use today to do my style, and it's the Bond and Repair Amla oil line that I want to tell you what I think about it, what I like about it, and also what I don't like about it. I really love Shea moisture. The product works for me from the beginning of my journey, and I just want to put that out there. But also I am very particular when it comes to my hair. I only work with what's worked for my hair. So the first product that we're going to talk about is the shampoo. The shampoo, I found it smells really nice. The smell is amazing. I found the shampoo not a moisturizing shampoo because after I wash my hair, after I rinse the shampoo out of my hair, I found my hair very straight. So it's not like the Jamaican castor oil line where the shampoo after washing your hair, you feel it very soft and moisturized. But this shampoo will work for you. I think if you are not looking for moisturizing shampoo, and it is sulfate free and color safe, so if you have colors in your hair, that will works for you. I found that very effective. You don't really need a lot of product. I shampoo my hair twice and it was just like one pump. It was really a lot enough to wash my hair. So I think the shampoo is gonna last me for a very long time. I think I'm going to go back and forth between the Jamaican castor oil line and this one. So this is a good shampoo. It's just not a moisturizing shampoo for me. I find my hair feel very straight after I wash it. Next product we're gonna talk about is the conditioner. I found this conditioner very soft. It let my hair, I was able to detangle my hair in the shower. It works quick too. So when I washed my hair today, I did not detangle, I did not do a poo. So my hair was really tangled, but with just the conditioner, I was able to detangle my hair in the shower, and it took less than 5 minutes. And so I found it has a lot of strips and then it's soft, and I found the minute that I put it in my hair, I feel my hair moisturized. So the moisture is not on the shampoo, but it is on the conditioner. I find that the smells again is amazing, and it didn't take me that long at all to actually detangle my hair. After I use the conditioner to detangle my hair, I also use the mask. This is the mask, and also smells really good, and it's a really nice consistency. And again, once I put it in, my hair obey, and I can feel the curls, and it's soft and it hydrates. I feel my hair hydrated. And so I really like that, and I really like the fact that I didn't have to leave it in my hair for more than 5 minutes. So I was able to put it in my hair. It did not say to put a shower cap on. I take that step because I have low porosity hair. I want to make sure the product penetrated in my cuticle. And so what I did, I put this on and I put a shower cap on, and after that I just do my regular shower and wash my body and take my time, do a me time. While I was doing that, taking my shower, I let the water on medium warm because I want the steam to get in my hair with the shower cap on. It didn't say to do that. I just did it because I know I have low porosity hair, and I wanted to make sure I get the benefits of the ingredient that's in there. It needs to penetrate in my hair, and I have low porosity hair. After I rinse my hair out, my hair feels amazing. I feel soft, it feels moisturized, and it looks really good. I'm going to put the video somewhere over here, that way you can check it out if you haven't seen the wash day video yet with this line, but it was really good. And after I get out of the shower, this is the leave-in conditioner that I also use, and I found it, the consistency is really nice. It's not too watery, and it's just like the consistency is really nice. And the reason why I know this was going to be a great leave-in conditioner, the first ingredient in here is water. So the first ingredient in here is water, and that's what you should look for when you're buying a product. If the first 3 ingredients doesn't include water, it's really going to be really hard to keep your hair moisturized. So just a little tip. And after I put in leave-in conditioner, I sealed it with their oil, which again smells amazing. And so I sealed it with oil, and then I go in and style my hair. Today I tried to do a wash and go. It was like a wash and go with a twist. Again, I'm going to put the video somewhere over here. You can go ahead and check it out. But overall, I am satisfied with the line. It was a really good experience, and I like the way it left my hair. My hair was fully moisturized, and it feels great, and it smells good. So that's what I'm always going for when I'm buying product, is the smell, the hydration. So I feel like my hair is going to stay hydrated for a very long time. So that's all about this line. This is not a long video, it's very short, but I wanted to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment down below. If you ever tried this line, please let me know how you feel about it and how did it work for your hair. Remember, your hair is beautiful. Your hair is God designed. Your beautiful hair was made just for you. It's a wonderful accessory. Have fun with it and take care of yourself and your hair. I will see you on my next video. Bye.